Welcome to the Explore page of Groundlight AI's computer vision dashboard. With Groundlight AI's computer vision technology, you can tackle many interesting and challenging problems such as quality control in manufacturing, analytics in retail, detecting proper PPE usage in construction, and more. Groundlight's computer vision technology integrates with your existing surveillance cameras and uses natural language processing to answer questions about your images. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to start simple. I'm going to use just my laptop camera, the Explore page, and we will train a model using my cat. Specifically, whether my cat is on the couch. So, let's get started. In the Explore page, it will ask you to access your laptop camera. After you allow access to the camera, don't be too surprised when you see your own face. This is the camera you will use to create your detector, which is what we call a computer vision model or application. A detector is basically what you are detecting. Define your binary query. Is there a cat on the couch? Make sure it's binary, yes or no, and as objective as possible, and clear. You can set the minimum confidence to 0.75 or 75%. This is to say that if the model has anything lower than 75% confidence in its answers, the image query will be escalated to a real human to answer in real time. You can also think of 0.5 like a 50-50 coin toss, whereas 1.0 would mean that every single query would get answered by cloud labeling staff. So I'm going to leave it at 0.75. Low settings are great for easy questions. High settings are great for difficult questions that need help from your labeling staff. Capturing images. Start by capturing your first image by clicking the Capture Image button. In this case, I decided to have my first image be of my cat on the couch. To make it easier to train my model, I'm now going to use auto capture to have images be captured every 30 seconds. This is where you can start to have fun with it. Experiment with different images, with the cat being on the couch, there being no cat at all in the image, and the cat being on the floor instead of the couch. I've also placed different objects on the screen. That's what's great about Groundlight. Even if the environment changes, Groundlight adapts. Here it says 0.54 and yes, meaning that the model is only 54% sure that the cat is on the couch. You'll see that the images have a human icon next to them and a clock. That is because you are just starting out training your model, so the query is being escalated to a human who will review and confirm if it's a yes or no image, what we call labeling. After a few moments, you will see that the image changes and will become pink, no, or purple, yes. I keep submitting images, some showing the cat on the couch and others not. Again, feel free to have fun with this. After a while, you'll see that the model starts to give answers, as indicated by a new computer vision icon. Over time, you will see that the model's confidence becomes higher and higher. Having only seen images with and without cats, the ML model is really confident. Unlike traditional computer vision, Groundlight is always adapting. Getting projected machine learning accuracy. You need to have enough images and enough examples of yes and no to get a projected machine learning accuracy. If you don't see this, then you need to click here to provide these ground truth labels. Ground truth labels are used as examples to help cloud labelers interpret your instructions correctly. They help convey exactly the behavior you expect from your detector and are especially helpful for clarifying edge cases. For example, how do you define what a cat on the couch looks like, especially in situations that may look a little bit more ambiguous? After only a handful of images, my model is already able to answer correctly whether or not the cat is on the couch 95% of the time. Click Accuracy Details if you want to learn more about your detector's performance. The numbers represent the projected accuracy overall, projected accuracy for yes, and projected accuracy for no. The bars represent the confidence intervals. That's a quick demo of Groundlight's Explore page, but there is so much more you can do than detecting a cat. As a next step, try using Groundlight on your cameras, either using the Groundlight Hub or using Groundlight's Python SDK. Finally, if you're curious how computer vision can be applied to your business or project, don't hesitate to reach out to us for a free consultation.